Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be sharing with you how you can customize or make a t-shirt print in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here Canva and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account. After logging in, you will find this search bar. Go here and write t-shirt print and press enter from your keyboard. After that you will find many templates. See, you will find many templates, thousands of templates. You have to just choose and start customize by yourself. Okay, so let's choose one. Okay, let's say you want to choose this one. Click on this and click on customize this template. You can customize this template by your own. Okay, you can see here this is like a small, but you can make it zoom by clicking on Ctrl and up scroll from your mouse like this. It will zoom and it will be like this. Now good. Okay, let's say you want to rewrite this. Just double click on this and it will be like this. Backspace from your keyboard, it will be removed, and write the thing you want to write. Like we want to write here rose. Okay, so you can color this portion. Just double click and go to this one, text color, and go for this color. Should be suitable for this. Okay, so let's say if you want to add something, this space, just go to elements, and let's say you want to add a girl here. So write here girl or girl shadow. Girl, not girl, girl shadow would be good. Let's add this one, but this seems like black because the background color is black. Let's change the background color first. So if you want to change the background color, click on this and you can see here, sorry, ignore this. You can see here background color. Click on this and you will find many colors. Just pick one. Let's say you want to add this color. Okay, now go elements, girl shadow, and you will find many icons. Just pick one and resize it, and you can add like this here. Okay, so I'm showing you the basic tutorial. Okay, just make it with your own creativity. Design is by yourself. Okay, so if you want to write here something, go to text. You can click, you can see many text here which is glowing, or you can see added heading. If you click on add a heading, you can double click on this and remove it by from your keyboard by clicking backspace, and you can write anything you want. Or if you want to add this text, just go to glow, click on this, and it will be like this. If you want to resize it, resize like this and drag it with your own facility. Alright, so after making your own project, if you want to download this, just click on share button and scroll down and you will find download button. Just click on download and it will be downloaded in your system. If you want to share this with your friend or anyone, just write here the email address, any email address, and send. Click on send button. After clicking on send button, this work will send to that guy. Alright, so guys, this is how you can make a t-shirt print in your Canva. Alright, so guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.